let's look at Aussie. Clean pattern here in Aussie. Got this head and shoulders top that basically started in January on a near-term basis. Let's go to a 60-minute chart. What I think we have is a flat right here from the March 25th low. So that's an A, that's a B, and we are unfolding in wave C, looking for basically just a move up through 76.64 before we'd want to be short Aussie again, okay? Why do I say that this is a flat? Well, what tips you off to a flat, you're always looking for clues, right? Like an investigator or something, detective. So the 3-wave drop into a low always should suggest that you are trading in an expanded flat correction, right? Because patterns don't end on 3-wave moves unless they're diagonals, and this is not a diagonal. This would be most likely a flat. So there we have our proposed flat. I actually want to see if this was 127.2. Where is that? Here we go. And it was. Look, also in flats, you often have wave B equals wave A, 127.2% of wave A. It's exactly what it equals. So this is beautiful textbook stuff that Aussie is offering us. If you wanted to trade really short term, you could look to buy next week around 75.70 or so. Okay. Target 76.70 and then look to short. I still think the bigger swing is on the downside towards initial levels, probably about 74.20. Okay, you're gonna have the 200-day average at that level as well, but that is the high from September 1st of last year. It's also the bottom of this channel. So me, in my time frame of trading, I'm looking to short again up here around 76.70. So very clean stuff here from Aussie. Really, right now, patterns are extremely clear. Levels are extremely clear. Sometimes that happens, right? You can go months and months and months without having a clue as to what's going on. With the way I look at things, right now just happens to be a very clean, clear, lucid moment. Okay, let's look at Kiwi. Now, interestingly, Kiwi appears to have completed its flat. You can see here, if I look at this, right, you got the A, you have a 3-wave drop. Did not actually take out the lows. We got that non-confirmation deal yesterday where Aussie took out the lows and Kiwi did not. But A, 3 waves down into a B, C. You could say from a, textbook perspective or whatever that this is complete. In the real world, I don't think it is because, again, Aussie does not appear complete. So it's unlikely that Kiwi is complete. So I would look for Aussie, or Kiwi, I should say in this case, I would look for Kiwi to resume a bit higher. And 71 looks to be a key spot for the New Zealand dollar, right? I mean, you can see it clear as day. 71, 71, 71, 71, 71, right? So let's look for 71. Also have that channel up there. Now, bigger picture, right? Bigger picture, I think that Kiwi could be awfully bullish, okay? At this blue line. This is basically the top side of a neckline. That's going to be crossing the December 2019 and September highs from last year. I'm looking for a retest of that, essentially one of these. Where's my little paintbrush? Where's paintbrush? Here it is. Looking for something like this, and then a bigger base to form down here, and then we can go off to the races, okay? In fact, we've seen this blue neckline do some work before. It's back here, right? Look, pull up, break out, pull back, rally, pull back, go. So something like that. All right, dollar CAD. Allergies are terrible right now. Okay. Dollar CAD. You want to be looking for support around 2470. I'll zoom in a second, but this is a shift fork, okay, from the March high from last year. You see the parallels between the center line, right, and the upper and lower parallel. That's 25 line to 75 line. 75 line, look at that perfect support here. And then as we zoom in, you can see, you know, some of the spikes on it. Support, 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 resistance, support. Let's go to an hourly chart. I'm thinking that we get a bit more weakness. You know, 2470 to 2490 should be support here. That is going to be the lower end of that is the 618 rally, 618 retrace, excuse me, of the rally from the low. 2 equal legs down is going to be 2494. Again, you've got that 75 line cutting through all of that there. And then you have that bold line here, which again, as I mentioned, I put those bold lines for, reserve those for daily and weekly reversal support. That, my friends, is right here. That is daily reversal resistance. So that's the reversal day and the low day, right? The close of that day, which is March 18th. So hone in on 2470.90 for support in dollar CAD. Okay.